Please, big up yourself. You know what I'm saying? Bro, you don't see I'm hosting a show. Yeah, I'm just saying, I'm here and we all gotta get this kicking off right now. You know, Bravo's dealing with. You know, and Cash, what type of intro do you, I call intro you, they supposed to know by now. You already touched the stage. You know what I mean? You're already family to pay attention. You ain't no stranger. You ain't no stranger, Kash Kapri. Kash Kapri killed the stage and now it's a catastrophe. Homie.
When I say first, you say goes first. Goes first. Goes. When I say first, you say goes first. Goes first. Goes. Yo, instincts. Don't know for the word.
Drop it like a bomb. Who's that nigga? Who's that nigga? Who's that nigga? What it is? What it is? What it is?
Come on, shit. This is what I said. Yo, big up all the pay attention. Sick of that brother and I did it. Yo, big up to this guy. Big up finish. Yo, FTP just put it down a while away. That's what I said. Don't know, you know, big brother Alpine and the Kemxtri Muzik all brother D-shit. Love this stuff. Alpine. So what I said. Bullshit. Here today. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. It's a movement, man. It's an 8764. It's that first coast movement. Y'all feel it, brother. You got it. Shit that I'm spitting in the streets say it's inspiring. Treat it like a death squad shots, I keep firing. I pray to God that I spit the scroll properly. I gotta put the fam on some state property, cause this is Coldplay. Chef in the kitchen makes you off some dishes, and I serve you up on some gold plates. But these niggas got some cold faces. But fuck that, I'm trying to go places. Body the game and leave no traces. Boss, I shot smoke with gunpowder, cause this is shit to turn your tongue sour. But y'all, old plus Al's gas, I'm on my level shit. You know my mental shit. Real niggas only yo. Never see a membership. Meeting with the members, everybody taking with some big spenders, yo. But no surrenders, I ain't taking no prisoners. Lord, I'm a sinner, I ain't trying to act religious. But every nigga trying to act, they just get a calculator. Fixing cars, I'm a crawler like an operator. I'm so refined, texture got different layers. Time to make believers out of these naysayers. Cause this is Genesis, I spit a saver. Getting money is the human nature. Like I got a voodoo dog. So what's up with y'all? Screw it up now. I'm just saying water when I'm not trying to lose y'all. It's been a year cause I got nothing to do with y'all. And this is business as usual. And if I wasn't rapping, yeah, I'd probably be the same individual. So I can swamp up and readjust the visuals. I talk my shit then I laugh just to piss you off. Like the top off, I'm on a broad, I'ma rip it off. SKG, little nigga, this is my life. Screw with the shorty and she's trying to be my mob wife. Burn a half an ounce, start the clips on Bob's life. I'm out of space, light it up, go up the bar slice. I'm on top of the building, get a bonsai. Challenge showdown, Gandhi town pipe. So don't get lost on the wrong side. When you get lost in the archives, for that K. I need that cake like an Army Shaw. The kids been sick, y'all niggas Army pop. Don't knock me, I'm Army like a Nazi in the Holocaust. Black niggas getting white carpets, doing dating like the post bosses. Yo, I'm still thinking like I'm struggling emotions. And you popping your gas down with bitches and emotions. And to a lot of y'all, this is very insulting. Shout out to my girl in the States, my little son big.
Yeah. It's good.
Don't wake me up when I'm sleeping. Don't hold me up when I'm deep in. Hey yo, pull joy my life like the weekend. Oh yo, be shorty on the weekend, baby weekend. Don't wake me up when I'm sleeping. What? Don't wake me up when I'm deep in. What? Pull joy my life like the weekend. Oh yo, be shorty on the weekend, baby weekend. Last time I heard we was back for business. Now we looking like legends when we post the bitches. 8 for the sippin', 5 for the bottle. Chillin' with the shorty, she spent some time in Chicago. But go, I be on my job, no days off. Chef in the kitchen, whip it up, goes Ray Kwan. And all these niggas know me all of a sudden. And all my exes love me all of a sudden. I know it's all of a sudden. Hey, got a steady focus like a telescope. Hey, I find an empty planet when it's hard to cope. I play my own tracks that blow hella smoke. Try to reach my altitude, determines on your attitude. Anybody with objectives, but maybe I'm aggressive, but I'm feeling more progressive. A student to the game, man, I value every lesson. A couple teams down, now they saying I'm impressive. That's it. Don't wake me up when I'm sleeping. How you feeling? Don't pull me up when I'm deep. Let me hear your first coast. Pull it on my life like I can't hear you first. Why hear some more? No. Hey, don't wake me up when I'm sleeping. No, don't pull me up when I'm deep in. But hey, I'm full of joy my life like the weekend. Be shorty on the weekend, baby weekend. I'm trying to power off like the lights on. Dreaming of a Lambo, black pink, white girl, looking like a drug dealer. Black pearls, white girl, let's listen through the pen. I spit it sick to make the light girl. I can't lie, I love to see the light shows. Never took a flight, no puffy cushion, my right clothes. Looking like a million, that's your opinion, then I suppose. Facing many obstacles, I'm about to go optimals. My life in Jamaica ain't just sand beaches. A couple of homies got locked up, they was trying to reach us. I had a conversation with my nigga Shane. Blowing on loud, the murder mommies ain't nothing changed. Road to the riches, got some traffic, I'ma switch lanes. Now I'm ready to drop me off, timer on that Tuesday. Being away from ready, cause I can't see it too big. Body's still here, but my mind is in a new place. It's good, wake me up when I'm sleeping. Don't pull me up when I'm deep in. Pull joy my life like the weekend. Be shorty on the weekend, baby weekend. Don't pull me up when I'm sleeping. Pull me up when I'm deep in. Pull joy my life like the weekend. Be shorty on the weekend, baby weekend. Sing it with me. When I'm sleeping. Don't get me up when I'm deep in. Pull joy my life like the weekend. Be shorty on the weekend, baby weekend. When I'm sleeping. Hey yo, y'all know what it is, man. This 876 pay attention to the first coast. Let me hear y'all having a good time together tonight. Y'all boys sticking down in the middle with me, you know what I'm saying? First time on stage with me, I just want to say thank you, man, for coming out tonight, making a special effort. Thanks everybody for making a special effort. Y'all could have been somewhere else watching DVDs, popcorn.